if you're watching this video, it means that you are having a look at my blog, seeing how to set up a website, and you're at the domain section. Now, it really doesn't need to be complicated purchasing a domain, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So go ahead, click the link below this video or above it, wherever I've put it at the time, and just follow these very, very simple steps. So step 1, click the link. Step 2, click get started. Now remember, you are going to get discount when you use this link, and at this moment in time, HostGator is throwing a special campaign which will actually get you a free domain name when you purchase hosting. So if you've not had a look at the hosting section, which again you'll see another video showing you the settings for the hosting, go ahead and click on that video. Now if it looks a little bit different, that's absolutely okay. It just means HostGator is doing a different campaign, discount, different promotion, anything on those lines. So once you click that get started button, you want to select your plan, and just for the sake of it, I'm going to go with the baby plan, although I do recommend the business plan purely because it's really cheap, and why not get the best of the cheap thing. So here you can see register a new domain name, and you can see at this moment in time, HostGator is offering 1-year domain registration on select annual plans. So if you pay for the month, for the year in advance, which is like less than $100 or maybe $100 or so, then you actually get a free domain name. So you can see enter your domain name here. So let's just say I wanted super easy websites. Okay. And then you've got, and you select on here and you select which one you want. So we're going to go with .com, and bang, it loads all of this here for you. Okay, and it's telling you which ones you'll need to pay for, which ones you won't. And one of the reasons why you'll need to pay for .club or .site but not .com and .org is because these are really fancy domain names. The extension on it, which again, I think you would have just read about the extension section of this website site build, but you can see when you click on that, you just simply select the ones that you want just by clicking the button, and then you'll go ahead and follow the rest of the settings, and you fill it out, which again I actually go into more detail about this in the hosting section of this blog. But that's all you really need to know when it comes to choosing a domain. Just make sure it's clear, it's concise, it's easy to spell, and try and keep it below 10 characters. So enjoy.